Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, airbags, front knee, child safety locks, power door locks, one-touch windows, 4 power windows. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.